Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace my front fender. Not an instruction video, just me replacing the fender. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start taking this fender apart. Never did one of these before. First time for me. We'll figure it out, I guess. That. Whew. What do we got here? This thing's all messed up. This is messed up. This is all f***ed up. Holding this in. Oh my god. What is holding this in? Oh, no shit, huh? Set it aside. Alright, let's see if we can bend this back. Broken. Alright, junkyard fender. See if we can get it in here. You kidding me? Kidding me. Gap on this side's a little bigger than it's supposed to be. Looks like the whole thing might have got pushed a little bit forward. That's good enough. Oh, there it is. This really wasn't a how-to, it's just me putting on a fender. This needs to be sanded, get rid of this damage here on the paint, and you know, spray paint it and buff it out. Yeah, looks good. Not bad. Let's see if it lines up with the hood. Yeah, no worse than the other one. Looks good. I'm happy with it. All we gotta do is the paint. Wait till the weather warms up more, I think. Hey, that's good, man. I'm happy with that right the way it is. A lot better than a dented fender. Well, the job is complete. It's good it's going to get for now. Alright, that's it for today. I don't know if you guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If not, you know, like I said, it wasn't an instructional video. It wasn't meant to be instructional, just me putting on a fender. If you get something out of it, then that's fine. Alright, take care.